So in this video, we're going to discuss using email to maximize your ROI from every channel, not just SEO, not just Facebook, Google, from every channel. A lot of people will say email's outdated, it's really not that cutting edge. It couldn't be more wrong. We found here for a fact at Bear Fox with our clients that if your revenues aren't 40 to 50% of your total revenues are coming from your email, you are missing the boat.
So 100% that is correct. What we see with email, if we're looking at statistics and research, it shows that either email or content marketing, SEO, they're always up at the top of the list when it comes to return on marketing investment. So those are really good channels that you should be investing in. Now, how can you utilize email to make sure that you get more revenue from your campaigns? You know, there's many examples, but one example, for example, we had one client that was getting a lot of organic traffic coming in. Well, we just did a small little email pop-up so that we could start capturing those emails, and then we could put those emails in a drip campaign. We created some automated sequences so that for new customers that maybe hadn't bought yet, they're put into an automated sequence. Maybe they're getting 5 or 6 different emails to say, hey, welcome, and maybe we're indoctrinating them a little bit, giving them value. The one trick that you want to do with email, we often call it the rule of 4. We want to make sure that we're offering 4 pieces of value for every time that you want to try to sell or brand your business. What's going to get you delisted or get you marked as spammed is if you are constantly trying to just sell yourself. And it's also going to turn people off to your business. So you want to utilize your email to add value and then appropriately ask micro commitments to help move them toward the sale. If you do that, we call that a lead magnet. We're getting small little micro commitments piece by piece until they move forward to the end transaction. So another thing that's really important about emails, we talked about email flows. We can create up these automated flows. So we might have a flow for folks that haven't bought from you yet, they're not paying customers. You might have another flow for actual customers to say, welcome them to your family and to give them tips on how to use the product and service. Maybe you'd have another email that'll ask for a review that you can capture on your website. We can create these automated flows. Maybe you've got another email flow that you need to create. If you're selling like an e-commerce business and you're selling product online, make sure you have an abandoned cart email sequence flow, right? So we want to make sure that we set this up and put this and automate this to help people keep people warm and keep them engaged and move them toward that sell.